Ho, ho, ho! Merry 12 Tool Days of Christmas. I've forgotten the name of this series that we're doing, but I wanted to introduce you to a tool that we use almost daily. It's called Grammarly.
Grammarly is a tool for both Android, iOS, your Mac or your Windows, or on your desktop as well, where it automatically detects grammar, spelling, punctuation, word choice, and styling mistakes in your writing via an AI. So essentially what you do is you log in, download it or apply it, and you can start using it straight away. And what it does is it helps you correct any mistakes that you make while you're typing, either in regards to grammar, maybe any repeated words or spelling mistakes, or if something sounds a bit too casual or a bit too formal. And because it is about what you're typing and the words that you're using, like many tools on our list, Grammarly is free to download and use for individuals. And I think when you have a team, except for when you're paying for premium features within Grammarly, then they'll ask you to pay. But for the process and the AI itself, it works great.
So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you use that tool, make sure you comment below and let us know how you go with it. So make sure you check out Video Confidence Coach on all of your social medias and all of the Facebooks and all of the places that we are. And if you have any questions, you can just DM, email us and all that cool stuff. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and stay tuned for tomorrow for another thing.